Hi guys, welcome back to Gloss and Sparkle. So what I have for you today is a little haul from PandaHall Elite. I'm going to be showing you some of the jewelry findings that I picked up from them. So if you want to see what I got, just keep watching. Okay, so the very first thing I'm going to show you are these gold-plated jewelry findings. I've never ordered from PandaHall Elite. This is my very first time, so I'm curious to try them out. But they are earring wires. They look really pretty, actually. And these are gold-plated. If I can get them open. This is what they look like. Hopefully I'm staying in focus. Yeah, these look really nice. They're very smooth. Definitely looking forward to using those. And I believe it came with 10 pairs. I'm going to have everything linked down below for you guys, so you guys can go ahead and check out these items for yourselves if you're interested. Okay, so the next item are these Bugle Beads. These are so big. I think these are 30mm Bugle Beads. Look at them. Well, actually, I think the big ones are. I'm not sure how long the little ones are, but they came in black. Check out these black ones. So now you know the thing with Bugle Beads is the edges. How are the edges? They're a bit sharp, not gonna lie. So I think it's definitely workable, but they are a bit sharp. That's the problem you get with Bugle Beads. So you gotta watch the string that you're using them with and the projects that you're using them on. And then we've got a transparent silver lined. Very pretty. And then we have a transparent silver lined gold. Those are very pretty as well. Oh, I see a little chip right there. Do you see that right there? So you find that a lot among Bugle Beads, and when they're this large, you kind of have to be careful not to break them. And then you've also got some rose gold silver lined. I really like these ones. I love how the silver line really makes a pop in the middle of those. So then you've got the smaller version ones as well. So I really like to use these as fringe on the bottom of earrings. It's like a really quick way to make some fringe, so I really like that. And this is the little case that it came in. Very snug tight. And then the last thing that I got are the things that I'm most excited about. And I'm not even sure what exactly to call these, besides metal findings, but what it is are these, it comes really super packed up tight, these gold tone and silver tone findings. Now, some of them are oval, some of them are round, and some of them are triangle. So here's some of the ovally round ones. They're just these metal pieces. This one side does come out in case you want to string on beads that way. And then you can just pop it right back in. And then you can put an earring wire up here. Of course, you could do pendants with these if you want. And then I'll show you the triangle. These are my favorite ones, the triangle ones. And I'm going to actually be showing you in the next video how to use these to make these earrings. These quick and easy earrings using 8/0 seed beads. So these are what those look like. Let's look at the gold ones. Here, we didn't look at a round. So here's a round one. I love how shiny these are. Same deal with these. One side comes out if you wanted to string on beads that way, but I really like to do brick stitch along these little rings. There's so many things you can do with these. It's crazy. There's just a ton of different options. You can bead inside. You can bead on the outer edge. It's so many things that you can do. So many different ways that you can stitch on these, which I really, really love. So if you want to see how to use these or just one way to use them, be sure to check out my next video. So I'm going to actually link all of these things as well as PandaHall's entire website in the description box below for you guys to head on over there and check them out if you so desire. And as always, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye!